y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since your girl done put out some content, but guess what? Let bygones be bygones. Like, for real. Okay, anywho, as you can see, today's title is entitled How I Got My Afro Puff with a TWA. Okay, before we even get started into how, first off, welcome to all my new Nistas to EclecticNista's channel, honey, where you can be anybody who you want to be anytime you want to be. And guess what? You ain't got to explain your damn self to nobody, okay? Okay. And also, welcome to my returning Nistas. Hello and hello. And how you doing, honey? Y'all already know how I do over here. So I just want you guys to know you're welcome. I am back with the content, and I am here to answer a bunch of questions about how I got my TWA into this nice, fluffy, big Afro puff. So before we get started, these are some things that you are going to need. I'm going to show them throughout the tutorial. However, I'm just going to verbally tell you right now. You are going to need a skinny tooth comb. You want to need a brush, obviously. You're going to need some ponytail holders, some hairpins, just with some security. And also you are going to need EcoStyler. Now, throughout the video that you guys are about to see, I am not using EcoStyler. I am using another edge control product that actually I think is better than this right here. So this is not EcoStyler, this is Edge Booster. Y'all, I'm giving y'all the wrong information. And you guys will see that product throughout the tutorial. So without further ado, let's just jump right into this tutorial so that y'all can see how I went from what you about to see to this. Let's go. Okay, as y'all can see, the girl, she did good. She did good. Slick. Okay. I don't know about some of these old school people, but honey, I still likes to use me a little oil sheen, a little gloss, you know, to make sure my tresses is shining. But you don't care to put too much of that type of product on your ponytail, okay? Because it is synthetic. And when you put shine on top of synthetic, i.e. plastic, as you can see, it can get too shiny and then it don't look real, okay? Now, here's a little style tip to get rid of some of that shininess. All you need is a little bit of baby powder, child. Yes, you can put it on your brush. You can dust it on your hair just to remove some of that shine, so that you are not looking like you are plastic walking around here in this world, okay? Anywho, I want to give you guys the 360 of how this look all came out for me. And I am very, very, very proud of what I achieved, okay? So, no matter how small your TWA is, honey, where there is a will, some hand scrunch, some good edge control, and honey, some patience. Honey, you got it. You can achieve this look as well. So this has been my go-to style, and I'm loving it. I cannot tell y'all how many people I have literally like walking up to me telling me they love my hair. Little do they know. Well, little do they know, shit, it is mine. I paid for it. Y'all know that old saying, honey, if I purchased it, it's mine. Okay? So, I hope you guys like this tutorial, and y'all be sure to hit the like button. Also be sure to share with some of y'all friends that may want a natural looking ponytail like this. Now, I will share all the details of where I got my drawstring ponytail from, and I did get it from Amazon. I will put the Amazon link down into the description box, and this has been my go-to. It is. Shoot, a month ago y'all saw me with a platinum Afro puff, and I actually got two, okay, because I do plan on doing the 2 Afro puffs. Yes, child, don't let and get over clothes and shit, they don't either, okay? So don't let and get old. It's all about how you take care of it, including yourself. So y'all be sure to hit that subscribe button. Y'all be sure to share with y'all friends and your girlfriends, and y'all also be sure to check us out every Thursday night at 8 p.m. for our live EclecticNista live sale. Okay, honey, I brings y'all the good. And by the way, honey, don't ever let them say you slipping. P.S. always stay fly.